Hi everyone, just a quick video today. As you know, I get a lot of questions and some people want me to break things down a little bit more, so I've also had questions about oil rings. So this is a piston out of my Z650 1977. So the oil ring actually fits in this bottom one. So these have all been cleaned. So you've got your middle ring, top retaining ring, bottom ring or rail. Again, referring back to the manual, you can see that piston there, so you can match it with the arrow on front. So the lower ring is at 30 degrees, the gap, and the upper ring is at upper ring rail is at 30 degrees. So first of all, it's the actual middle ring. And then the bottom ring. And that is basically it. And then you'd fit your other two rings. So I've got two more to do, but I just wanted to give you an example of just doing one. That one's all nicely done. And that's 3 rings, but always consult the manual. And so this is for a Z650 or KZ650 1977. And that's it. I'll see you again in the next episode.